Numerical inequalities, true or false? Alright, so it looks like we need to, we could click on that to see how our grade is calculated. It looks like we need to beat 100 seconds and get 10 out of 10. Alright, so, all I'm saying is a statement true or false. That one's true, right, because my number muncher is eating the smaller number, or should be eating the bigger number, so that one's false. That one's false. -2 is greater than 0, also false. 0 is less than 3, that one's true. -2 is less than -6, false, right? -5 is greater than 8, false. 1 is less than 6, true. -6 is greater than -5. I'd rather have -$5 than -6, so false. -1 is greater than -7, or -7 is less than -1, true. 4 is greater than 1, true. 4 is greater than -7, true. And I already went over. I'm at 12 out of 10, so I can stop.